Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch videos smoothly without lag by using Fluent Mode in the Bigo Live app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to your App Store and search for Bigo Live. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, because older versions may not have this feature or may cause performance issues. Once the app is updated, open the Bigo Live app on your device. After that, go to the Me section, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the Settings icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Next, scroll all the way down until you find the option called Watching Mode. Tap on it. Here, you will see different options for video quality. Simply select Fluent Mode. Fluent Mode reduces video quality slightly but helps you watch videos smoothly without lag, especially if you have a slow internet connection. And that's it. Now you can enjoy lag-free streaming on Bigo Live. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.